This is Diana Grace del Rosario Sardañas from STEM 12 St. Paula, and I am going to present my cell analogy, Restaurant Edition. First, we have cell membrane as restaurant doors. A cell membrane controls what goes in and out of a cell, just like door controls who and what goes in and out of a restaurant. Next is the nucleus as the head chef. Nucleus controls all the cellular activities, just like head chef controls all the activities going on in his kitchen. In a cell, the cytoplasm relates to the sitting area and the area in the kitchen. A cell's cytoplasm is the area that contains all of the organelles. In a restaurant, a sitting area contains all of the tables, and the kitchen contains all of the food, cooking tools, and the fridge. Chromosomes as a recipe book. In a cell, the chromatin carries the genetic information of the cell, allowing it to produce more protein. A cookbook carries the recipes needed to continue producing food. Vacuole in a cell is very similar to a pantry in a restaurant. Vacuoles are used for storing food that the cell takes in. A pantry also stores food that the customers will eventually eat. Endoplasmic reticulum as the restaurant's countertops or tables, where all the different components of the meal are put together and assembled. Nucleolus as the chefs. A nucleolus assembles and produces ribosomes, just like the chef prepares and cooks the food for the customers. Ribosomes as the restaurant food. Ribosomes and foods are alike because the ribosomes create the proteins for the cell, while food has protein for the customers. Golgi apparatus as the takeout department of the restaurant. In a cell, the Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and other materials for storage. In a restaurant takeout department, package the food for storage for customers. Lysosomes as janitors. Lysosomes digest excess or worn-out cell parts, food particles, and invading viruses or bacteria, just as janitor cleans the restaurant and gets rid of waste products. Lastly, mitochondria as the stove and the oven. Because the stove and the oven produces the energy for the food to cook and bake in the same way that the mitochondria supplies energy for the cell to use.